Here on Salisbury Plain, we're building 917 homes for service families for the MOD. We have 3 locations here. 2 are building at an incredible rate of 8 homes per week, and the third job and largest job, this one at Lark Hill, is building at 16 homes per week. So we're working to very tight, demanding timescales. So speed of build is paramount.
The Nuspan flooring system is in essence an off-site alternative to beam and block flooring. We can install from 300 to 400 square metres of slabs per day, depending on the requirement on site. That may be between 5 to 8 houses. That's significantly faster than any other alternative on the market.
Nuspan is an excellent product. I've not come across it before, but you know, it's clearly something that's very, very thermal efficient. But what really the advantageous I find is we're working to a very tight, very challenging programme. And the fact is you've got a prefabbed quality material that can be delivered to the site very, very rapidly, unloaded very, very rapidly, and likewise installed very, very rapidly for the other trades to come in behind it. So in terms of our very challenging programme, it's the ideal material.
On this project, the pace of the build was always known from the outset, so it was very important that we were able to deliver the tight programme restraints that were put upon us. It wouldn't have been possible with beam and block. We wouldn't have been able to produce across the 3 schemes at 1.26 units a week. So it had to be the off-site manufactured process as opposed to the on-site assembled.
Programme-wise, we would probably take, on average, a week per plot off the programme. So on a big scale project like this, what we might call a super project, we really are achieving major economic efficiencies.
This is the fastest house build in the UK at the moment. They seem to be able to keep up with the programme that we're being given by our client. They're more than happy to deliver that programme. Very fast, very efficient, and we're able to do the plots in a much quicker, timely manner and fashion.
In terms of health and safety, we don't have additional products such as insulation and blocks being delivered by different suppliers, so we've got less haulage coming in on site. All of our products are manufactured off-site, so we've got off-site assembly going on. We've got a lot less labour working on site. We've got a lot less foot traffic as well. Less signing in of vehicles and traffic management. So health and safety has really increased, and particularly in this massive scale environment, which is very important.
With speed of build and work intensity comes an extensive workforce, many boots on the ground, over 700 operatives at peak. And with it, all of the incumbent health and safety risks. So Nuspan has thus far proven to be very safe in its application. The very fact that it reduces one's dependence on human beings out in the field must translate into a safer process. We haven't got on-site storage challenges with beams and all of that insulation that blows across the county and is a nuisance forever and a day. We've got a clean job. In a matter of hours, a floor or a pair of floors is completed safely and swiftly.
Working to such a challenging programme, we've really seen the benefits of having really good, strong working relationships with both Chasetown and Lovell.
They come with their own installation team, they have their own crane, their own lifting plans, their own appointed person, and it's dealt with in-house by themselves. All we do is call them in, and they arrive with the units on the back of the wagon, and they're totally self-sufficient in what they do.
Being the project manager, I'm obviously in touch with Nuspan all the time. To date, we've been very pleased with the programme. We've been very pleased with the labour and the personnel that have been working on site from Nuspan. And we're also very pleased with the product.
From the point of order onwards, through technical and commercial discussions, the Nuspan team have been very helpful, and it's been, thus far, a very effective and hopefully mutually rewarding relationship.
I suppose some of the efficiencies are very hard to calculate. if you were to do a direct comparison between the two. But when you look, when we're producing 18 units a week with a Nuspan system with a minimal installation crew versus a beam and block system where there'd be multiple labourers and machines in attendance to install that, it has to be cheaper.
To just take into account the cost of materials would be a false economy, because by using the Nuspan system, there is significant saving to the overall project.
But of course there are a number of collateral benefits that are very difficult to quantify, collateral benefits that we derive by going down the Nuspan route. We talked earlier about much less labour intensive. By some measure on site, it's much less labour intensive. So less men to manage, less men at risk of accident and all the costs that ensue from accidents. No storage, no on-site storage, which is always a challenge with beam and block, especially with the insulation, whereas Nuspan's insulation is integral. And I think collectively, when one weighs up all of those collateral considerations, Nuspan has proven to be value for money, very much so.
This project's going very well indeed. Everything is either well ahead or a little ahead of programme. So we're very confident this is going to be delivered on time, to budget and to an acceptable standard.
Nuspan on this scheme was the first time we'd used them and used this modern method of construction. It's gone really well, and if we were to do the project again, I'd use Nuspan again.